Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, I am going to show you on how you can add secret crush on your Facebook dating. Maybe you want to add the person into your secret crush on your Facebook dating but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can add secret crush on your Facebook dating. Check the video description. I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. And you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. And then from here, select this heart icon at the upper right corner of your screen. And then in here, you scroll down and you will see in here Secret Crush. Add someone you've interested in a secret crush. Simply tap on it. And then in here, simply tap on the plus icon, then tap on Facebook friend, and then search the friend that you want to add to your secret crush. Plus icon to add it. As you can see, that person is added to your secret crush. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can add a person to your secret crush on Facebook dating, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can add secret crush on your Facebook dating, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.